Good afternoon. This is the National Weather Service in Anchorage, Alaska, with Tuesday's Alaska statewide weather. Large, strong low pressure area just south of Prince William Sound produced snow across south central Alaska into the Copper River Basin, with another day of fairly heavy rainfall along the North Gulf Coast, with Cordova having over an inch and a quarter in the 12-hour period, ending at 3 p.m. this afternoon. Strong winds and heavy rains at times fell across the southeast coast, with anywhere from a half inch to 1.5 inches falling on Tuesday. Winds gusted to 65 miles per hour at Cape Decision, while Ketchikan had a peak wind gust of just under 60 miles an hour, and both Sitka and Juneau had gusts of 50 miles per hour. Areas of light snow fell across the central and eastern interior to the Arctic coast, and strong winds continued to blow, but were slowly diminishing, but were still gusting anywhere from 40 to 55 miles an hour across the Alaska Peninsula. Winter weather advisory is out for the Alaska Peninsula for tonight into tomorrow for snow and blowing snow, with winds gusting over 50 miles per hour at times. As winds diminish along the Pribilof Islands, it'll be breezy and cold over the western interior tonight. Snow continues over south central Alaska, northward to the Arctic coast and eastward to Canada. Periods of rain will continue tonight into Wednesday for the southeast coast, but will become lighter along with lighter winds on Wednesday. Low pressure just east-northeast of Kodiak Island will keep light snow going over the central and eastern part of the state, and again extend up to the eastern Arctic coast, with windy conditions again over the Alaska Peninsula, but winds will diminish along the west coast and over the western interior, with clearing and dry conditions with cold temperatures from the Brooks Range southward into northern Bristol Bay. Strong frontal system pushes gale force winds into the western Aleutians and Bering Sea on Wednesday and Wednesday afternoon. That'll weaken as it pushes eastward, but will spread rain and snow across the Fox Islands into the Alaska Peninsula, with increasing wind and snow in store for the Pribilof Islands and northern Bering Sea. It'll be mostly dry over the interior, with lingering areas of light snow over the southeast part of the state. And a frontal system again off the southeast coast will keep it wet, mainly along the central and north coast, as well as the eastern North Gulf Coast.